Here we are at our grand finale. This is our 42-foot growing dome. This is currently the newest growing dome that we have on our property, built in 2022. So this does have all of the newest options and upgrades available. And this dome easily feeds a community with 1,300 square feet of growing space. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. The 42-foot dome does have the most vertical space since it is the largest of all of the greenhouses. So we are looking at 16 feet, 6 inches from the center point of the ground to the apex of the dome. There's plenty of space for large trees, and there's also plenty of room to congregate in here. We've set up this dome so we've maximized the growing space, but have still allowed for seating areas, so we have the potential to teach classes in here or hold large groups of people. This dome kit does come standard with 2 electric intake fans. You do have the option of adding an additional one of those if you'd like, or you could add the desert cooling package, which would include an extra electric fan plus a misting system. If you don't plan on running electricity to your greenhouse, you could upgrade to the solar-powered cooling option, which would replace those 2 electric fans with 3 solar-powered intake fans. Your dome is also going to come with 2 solar-powered attic fans, and you have the option of adding an additional one. The pond in this dome is approximately 3,600 gallons, and you do have the option of adding the solar-powered water feature, or an option that is so new I forgot to mention it in all of the other domes, and that is the electric-powered water feature. It's a little bit cloudy right now, so our solar-powered water feature isn't currently running, but our electric feature is running just fine. Here at Growing Spaces, we've tried our best to maximize the passive solar benefits of the sun, along with the geothermal benefits of the earth. One of the things that's going to come standard in each dome kit, regardless of the size, is our undersoil ventilation system. The system is comprised of a fan that's located behind your pond and a corrugated pipe that runs around these perimeter beds and comes out on the south side of the dome. This system acts as a mini climate battery, harnessing the geothermal properties of the soil.